Hey, so happy Fat Tuesday, everybody. We made it to through the second weekend of Mardi Gras. Uh, so I ran the arrests like I did for the first weekend, and uh, the totals looks like we had 194 arrests Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yeah, 194 total, which I guess beat last weekend by about 11. I think we had 183 last weekend. I've told you all about. And this same period, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we had 194. We had 59 on Friday, 66 on Saturday, and 69 on uh, Sunday. So Friday, which was our lightest day, so we had 50, yeah, I told you all the totals. Friday, we had 5 DWI arrests. Um, Not a whole lot about Friday jumped out at me, except for there was an arrest for a murder on Friday, which I don't remember hearing about over the weekend. So I don't know if it was a new case or an older case. I just showed that someone was arrested for murder on Friday. Saturday was a little more interesting. We had a total of 6 DWIs, um, but there were two that stood out to me, and they're unrelated according to the location of the arrest. But two of the people that were arrested for DWI also ended up being charged with assault on a peace officer, which means, apparently they were trying to fight their way out of an arrest, I guess. Um, but yeah, we had 6 DWIs. Two of those people got also charged with assault of a peace officer. There was a separate person charged with assault of a peace officer only. Uh, and so I don't know what that was about. Uh, but yeah, apparently people got rowdy with the police this weekend, or Saturday at least. Uh, DWI arrest was just one more than Friday night, so I guess that's pretty normal. I didn't see anything else very interesting other than those 2 DWIs where people ended up being charged with assault on a public servant. So then we go to Sunday, and we had a total of 7 DWI arrests. So what do we have? 6, 5. So 18 arrests over the weekend for DWI, which I'm going to say is, I think, a fairly high number. I don't know if it's because of the DWI, the increased DWI patrolling that's being done, or if it was, somehow connected to Mardi Gras with the amount of people that came and were drinking due to Mardi Gras. There were 2 other charges that stood out to me, um, and it was 2 people charged with racing on a highway, and it was 2 people charged with racing on the seawall. And I don't know anything about the cases other than to tell you that I have seen this charge abused, so to speak. There is a difference between racing and 2 friends, driving beside each other speeding down the road. And again, I don't know what these two young men were doing. I mean, looks like one of them was 17 years old and one of them was 20. And it's the same time and location. So obviously they're both accused of racing each other. And I would be interested to know if they were actually racing or if they were just going way too fast down the seawall together going somewhere. Of course, it is possible they were racing. Like I said, I don't know the facts charged with that case, but that was a little after midnight. So, you know, first thing Sunday morning, a little after midnight Saturday night. But yeah, those are the numbers. We've made it through Mardi Gras. Today's Fat Tuesday, so today's officially the end of Mardi Gras. Tonight there will be some more activity downtown, but most people I know that participate in Fat Tuesday are locals, so I wouldn't expect too much police activity tonight. Yesterday was more of a family day for the Mardi Gras with the kids parade and the dog and cat parade. I guess more dog, but there were a lot of families on the island yesterday, so it was less of a party day, so to speak, and more of people with children. But that's it. That's wraps up Mardi Gras for this year. Y'all have a good week, and hopefully I'll see y'all. I'll be back next week with a new topic.